This is 929 Fuller Road. This is a 4-unit building. It's kind of neat because it's 2 units here with garages in between, 2 units there, and then the end units have garages. But the neat thing is every unit's basically an end unit because you only have one neighbor and then a garage, so there's no common walls. So this was just put in a year ago. Second unit here just went empty. They moved out of the area for a job. The owner, excuse me, had really good tenants that we put in last year. The other 3 are still original. These folks, they are not out technically until the end of this week, but you can't even tell they were here. They were really great. So you basically walk in, there is a little coat closet here, and there is a internet box there from the cable company. It does internet and cable. And it's basically got an open floor plan. The really neat thing is the builder did some really neat things on this property. Let's see if we can get a little more in focus here. Come on, there we go. So this is a radiant concrete slab. So instead of having baseboard around the room, which gets banged up and it's hard to place furniture, the heat's in the floor. So it means you can keep your literally feet up warm. It's more expensive to do, but it's really neat. They also did nicer finishes. These are custom cabinets with solid granite countertops. The cabinetry is custom, and they did the soft close so it doesn't bang shut. And of course has stainless appliances with the built-in microwave, dishwasher, and fridge. You have garage on this side that is heated with this unit. The 2 interior garage bays are heated. The units on the other side are not because the garage is on the other side. It has a thermostat for this. And of course it has an auto door opener, so you can park a vehicle here. Which is what most people do. This tenant actually had a bunch of shelving in here and had it all like full of storage, like a storage unit, and parked outside. But all the other tenants, I think, use their garages for parking. The other neat thing is that they've got a big backyard. So they did do a concrete pad at the back, but there's room to have a grill, and then you notice they have privacy fence in between. So you do get some of your own area, which is kind of nice. In this case, you've also got, I think you can just see it, the furnace room is tagged on the back. So you've got a good size area that's kind of yours to use for odds and ends. Again, this is meant to have dining area. Use plenty of room for a bar or to put a table there. If you wanted a bigger living room, you could put a table there because you've got a lot of room. The nice thing about open floor plans is they do give you plenty of space to do that kind of thing. Of course, thermostat, control your own heat. And then they did a closet right here off the hall that has the washer dryer hookup side by side. It has a shelf above. Set up for, of course, electric washer and dryer. It's got 2 bedrooms straight ahead, but the bath is here. And you notice again they did a nice custom cabinet with solid granite on top. You don't see this a lot. Sometimes you'll see the really thin granite tops, but this is super nice. And then they did a full tub shower with real tile surround, which is a nice upgrade too. And the floor, it looks like a wood, but it's actually a composite, so it's waterproof. It's kind of expensive. Again, you don't see a lot of developers use it in rentals because it's expensive, but it holds up well, and like you can tell, it looks brand new. Of course, frankly, the whole unit kind of looks brand new, but it is a year old. So here, you've got what is, I think is the master, because it's only, I think it's a foot wider than the other unit, and it has a double closet. So you've got a really pretty good sized closet space with a shelf above the rod. A lot of natural light too, because they did double windows in both bedrooms actually, so it does get a lot of light, and they did do ceiling fans, which is neat. If you go on this side, you'll see again bedroom with the double window and the fan. Closet in this one is actually pretty good size too, but slightly smaller than the other one. And that kind of completes 929 Fuller Road. If you would be interested, certainly let us know.